Hi everyone, Richard here from PageFly. Let's explore how you can utilize pre-made sections, also known as section template, in PageFly to speed up your website design process. Let's go to the editor page. To access pre-made section with the blank page like this, you just need to click on the Add Section button here to open the pre-made section catalog. Here there are plenty of pre-made sections that are ready to use right now on your page. If your page already has some sections, you can click or hover the section above or below the space that you want to add a new section. The plus icon will show like this. Click on the template in the drop-down and the pre-made section catalog will appear. We can also open the pre-made section modal from the section page. The pre-made section then will be used as a saved section on all PageFly and Shopify pages. Let's configure pre-made section model. You can search the name of pre-made section here, or choose the section template based on the category. PageFly offers a variety of section template for you to choose, including sale boots, free shipping, gift guide, page introduction, testimonial, and more. You can switch to mobile or desktop view to see how the section displays on that device. Now it's time to use pre-made sections on your PageFly pages. For example, I will add a page introduction section on the top of the page. You can freely customize the pre-made section to make it fit with your store. For example, you can change the image here by uploading a new image from your library, then change the content of the heading and paragraph, change the color of the button, or whatever you want in a few seconds. Another example, I want to add the featured product to my page. Click or hover on a section in the page editor and hit the plus icon at the bottom right. The Add a Section button will appear. Click on it. Select the feature product catalog and choose one of them to use on the editor page. The final step is to choose the product you want to show in the general tab like this. If you are building a product page, you can choose Auto for the product source. This section will automatically assign to the product of this product page. And this is the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more videos. Thank you for watching.